Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JFIN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. And really, there's two main levels that I think really stand out to me that a lot of people are going to be watching. And I make that comment because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. So that's going to be the main levels that I'm talking about. And the first level here that I think a lot of people will be watching is down here at that level of support at the $9 mark. Now, nothing is guaranteed, but my core point here is this. It's more than valid, it's more than rational to think that if the price does ultimately come down to 9 and then break down through there, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of downward selling pressure. Again, not guaranteed to happen, but certainly a rational and valid thought to have. So keep a very close eye on that $9 mark moving forward. Now, on the flip side of things, the exact opposite is true. And same exact logic, there's going to be all sorts of breakout players watching right up here around the $11.15 mark. So nothing guaranteed, but more than valid, more than rational to think that, if the price works its way up here and then can get the break of that 11.15-ish area, that break in and of itself could very well create a whole lot of upwards buying pressure, because you're going to have a bunch of people watching that are breakout players and saying, hey, it just broke out. And because it just broke out, I want to buy. So 11.15, another very interesting level. But at the end of the day, these are going to be the two main levels from the technical point of view that I think most people are going to be watching. So definitely worth keeping an eye on, and it'll be interesting to see how this one ultimately closes out the week on Friday, because as this one demonstrated today, this price can move, and it can move very quickly. So it'll be very interesting to see if the volume can remain strong and give some more great movements to close out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.